यो हेलो एंड कैसा, दिस इज दिशांक टेम्बले एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। एज यू कैन सी अच्छा सनसेट हो चुका है एंड वी आर नियर सी लिंक, दादर चौपाटी के पास है। एंड आज का टॉपिक इज़ लिटिल बिट इंटरेस्टिंग एंड वेरी डिफरेंट ऑल्सो, बिकॉज आज के दिन पे जो मैं व्लॉग पोस्ट करने वाला हूँ इट इज़ बेसिकली अबाउट बुलिंग। We are gonna talk about something which is very important, and I think so no one in the blogging community has ever spoken about this. This is known as bullying, and bullying is a thing which is going on since ages. एट 2020 में आके हम लोग देख रहे हैं कि कॉलेजेस में होता है, ऑफिस में होता है, या फिर किधर सोशल इवेंट्स में होता है, या फिर इंटरनेट पे भी होता है, कौन से भी स्पेस में होता है जहाँ पे ग्रुप रहता है। बुली इज़ समवन बेसिकली हु ट्राइज टू ओवर पावर यू, बट ही इज़न्ट पावरफुल दैट मच। So there are different types of bullying right now going on in the world, which is cyber bullying, then social bullying, then physical bullying and mental bullying. And अगर तुम लोग देखने जाओ ना, everyone in this world has eventually faced a kind of bullying, and especially females around the world are like properly facing cyberbullying every day, every hour, every minute by some people like this.
It is what it is.
It is what it is. So this different type of bullying can be seen in many places, and victims can be overall everywhere. Basically bullies का एक होता है कि they are someone who think they are powerful but they are not. They are just cowards who are trying to establish something out of jealousy or emotion which fears them. They just are like very frightened about many things, and if you see now, you go and fight back or you say something to them, then you are basically fueling the bullying and you are not causing any change. So fighting back में दो options है. So there are two types of fighting back in this case. One where you completely ignore them and try to be yourself, because you know that you are better than them, that's why they are jealous of you and they are trying to push you down. So you can just go and just enjoy yourself and have a good time, because you're self-aware, you know your goals, you know what you're doing, and you know what you will do in 10 years. But they don't, so they are bullying you out of anyway. Like no context, they will just come and trouble you. Second way of preventing yourself from bully is like literally or metaphorically just striking back. You can strike back like if your self-defense is like in danger. At times when your defense is very important, and if your defense is important, then there is no way then striking back. If you strike back properly, then only they can understand that it is a time to stop bullying you. And once they stop that, then I think it will be a cycle which has been breaking out of their head. Sometimes you even can help them if they are able to listen and talk, then you can just go and talk to them properly and be a friend, be a kind person. Not every time I'm saying ki you should strike back, but sometimes you should go and talk to them properly. Maybe there is something which is eating them up from inside, so they are showing their aggression from like person to person, or only weak person, like I don't know, maybe you or me. I have been a victim of bullying, my friends have been, and there was like a friend of mine who used to bully, but like after a certain period of time, I and my other friends spoke to him and we came to know that he was being a victim of family abuse, which is domestic violence. So this thing is entirely related to something mentally or physically, which is happening behind their head subconsciously. So with that said, I think so you know what to do, and you are self-aware so much that you can fight back and just take a stand for others also. If you see someone harassing someone, then you should also make a voice and raise against them and stand for them and protect weak, because that's how heroes are raised. And I know you are my heroes, and because you guys watch my channel, you guys are supporting me. And if you like the video, do share, subscribe, और जो करना है वो करो, नहीं किया तो भी चलेगा. Till then, peace out, bye.